Hi all and welcome to Learning from Experience channel. In today's session we will discuss about with statement in VBA. So why we required with statement and what is the use of this one and what is the syntax. So let's move to my second page. So what is the with statement? So with statement allow us to perform a series of multiple operations on a single object, or in other word we can say we can change the multiple property or different property of the same object with the help of with statement. So we have to take care of one thing. Once we enter in with statement, we will not be able to modify the object, but we can do one thing. We can nested one another with statement inside one with statement. So let's see these things in Excel, why we require the with statement and what is the syntax of same. Okay, we have come to the Excel. Now I'll just open my Visual Basic editor. Okay, now I'll just say dim. First thing, with statement always work with object. We will make, if we want to make any changes in property of an object, we use with statement. So regarding object collection we have discussed in our previous videos, so you can refer that for same. So I'm just uh, using variable 1 as, and I can see list of object here. I can use each and every object with my with statement, but property has to be given as a correct. So I am using like a range. So range is also my object of worksheet. So I have used range. So I have told in my previous session also, whenever we are taking any object in my variable, I have to set that particular object also. So I am setting set v1 is equal to active cell. So I have set that one. So if I'll go, I'll say v1 dot, and I can say horizontal alignment is equal to Excel, and HL align center, or we can say v1, or instead of v1 I can use here active cell. Okay, here also I can write active cell dot active cell dot add intent is equal to true. I can write also active cell dot font dot and bold is equal to true. Active cell. So every time I have to write the active cell font, then I can say italic is equal to true. Again also if I have to specify, then I have to start from the active cell font and dot, and I can say like the color is equal to VB red. Okay, this thing I have to write each and every time. So if I'll run this one and I'll just put it like a name here, Rajesh. This is my active cell. I'll go here and I'll run this program. So it will say center alignment and then true, bold is true, italic is true, and then color it will be red. So it's has been done. So I'm just deleting this one now, and just clearing the cache also. Okay, instead of writing active cell, if we see this active cell dot horizontal alignment and dot in add intent is the properties of active cell. Okay, and active cell bold, italic and color is the property of font. So we know that we have to make the changes in font, so we can use with statement here. So I am using my with statement with. So actually I have defined the v1 as an active cell range, so I'll use v1 dot and horizontal alignment, or instead of this I'll just use with v1 and with, and I'm writing dot horizontal alignment is equal to xl h center. Okay, I'm just writing the dot add intent and is equal to true. Okay, with this I have not to write every time like an active cell or v1s again and again. So within v1 or within this active cell, whatever the property I would like to change, it will be changed here. So now I don't require this thing. So instead of full name, what I am doing, I am using the active cell, and within active cell, that object, whatever the property I would like to change, I'll make the changes in this property within with statement. So I don't require this one. So these are the another things. These are the property of font. Bold, italic and color are the property of font. So we can use this one also. So we can say v1 dot font, or we have to start with. So we are using nested with here, with v1 and with. Okay, so all these things I'll just write font dot bold is equal to true, and I'll write font dot italic is equal to true, dot font dot color is equal to VB red. Okay, so I have used this also my in with statement. Okay, instead of this, if I'll use the font word here also, then I have not to use the font here. Even my font word will not be required. So I have used, I have used v dot font, and the whatever the property font have, I'll make the changes in that. Okay, if I'll run this one, it will give me the same result. So I'll write the Rajesh here. Sorry, I have written it in Visual Basic Editor instead of Excel sheet. So I'll write Rajesh, and if I'll make the change, if I'll run this program once again, so it will give me the same result. Oh, I have to first select cell and then I'll run this program. So it will give me the same result. So why we are using with statement? So we have to write less things in my VBA code. That is the first thing. And within with statement, we can make the whatever the property have the my object, I can make the changes in that particular. So that is the main purpose of with statement. I have written like na, if we enter to the with statement, we can't modify the object. For example, if I am in coming or I'm into like in a bold statement is on my debug, so I will not be able to change the font there. Or if I'll go here, so I'll not get the dot horizontal line which is associated my v1 first object, so that I will not get, and I will not be able to amend that particular object. So if there will be anything I have to change, so I have to make the changes in this font object only. If I want to make the changes in active cell, then this with statement will work. So this is all about with statement, and this is all about with statement. And in next video we will learn about for each statement. For thanks for watching and keep learning. And if you like, please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Or if you have any doubt, please comment it. I'll try to resolve the same. Thank you for watching.